Welcome to the Dego Finance Token Analysis. In this video, we will analyze key metrics of a project and its prospects. Let's begin. Token type. Dego Finance is a DeFi and NFT utility token used within the Dego Finance ecosystem. The token powers a cross-chain infrastructure that combines NFT minting, auctions, mining, and DeFi services. Projects that combine NFT and DeFi functionality typically have broader ecosystem use cases compared with single-purpose tokens. Project objective. The goal of the Dego Finance project is to create a cross-chain NFT infrastructure platform where users can create, trade, and distribute NFTs while participating in decentralized finance mechanisms. The platform provides tools that allow developers and communities to launch NFTs, run auctions, and distribute tokens as part of decentralized ecosystems. Utility. Dego serves several functional roles in the ecosystem. Governance voting within the protocol, NFT minting and auctions, liquidity mining rewards, participation incentives for ecosystem users, payment for NFT-related services. The token therefore acts as both a governance asset and an economic incentive layer. Tokenomics. Maximum supply is 21 million tokens. Circulating supply is about 20,997,000 tokens, meaning almost the entire supply is already circulating. Initial token distribution included 50% for mining rewards, 10% for public sale, 5.25% for liquidity, 1% for airdrops. Remaining allocation for Treasury and DAO governance. Because most tokens are already circulating, future dilution risk is relatively low. Liquidity. Recent market statistics indicate market capitalization roughly $7 million to $20 million depending on price movement. Daily trading volume around $1 million or higher depending on exchanges. Liquidity is adequate but relatively small compared with major DeFi tokens, which may lead to volatility. Smart contract and security. Dego runs on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain standards and supports cross-chain functionality. However, the project experienced a security incident involving compromised liquidity keys in the past, highlighting the importance of strong operational security in DeFi projects. Because of that history, security is considered moderate rather than strong. Team and governance. Dego Finance operates with DAO-style governance, where token holders can participate in decisions related to the protocol. However, detailed public information about the core development team is limited in mainstream crypto data sources. Community and social presence. The token has several thousand holders and a moderate online community. The project gained attention during the NFT boom, but community activity has fluctuated since then. Honeypot risk. There is no evidence of honeypot behavior. Dego trades normally on exchanges and uses standard ERC20 and BEP20 token contracts. Competitive positioning. Dego Finance competes in the NFT infrastructure and DeFi platform sector. Major competitors include NFT marketplaces and multi-chain DeFi ecosystems. Because the NFT sector already has dominant players, Dego's competitive advantage depends on ecosystem innovation. Adoption and growth potential. The project had strong adoption during the NFT boom in 2021. However, the ecosystem's total value locked and active user metrics are relatively small compared with leading DeFi and NFT platforms. Future growth would likely depend on renewed interest in NFT utilities and cross-chain infrastructure. Risk versus reward. Potential rewards include limited token supply, NFT and DeFi combined ecosystem, established history since 2020. Risks include smaller market capitalization, reduced momentum compared with earlier cycles, competition from larger NFT platforms. Final score, medium score. With a final score of 75 out of 100, Dego Finance represents a moderate risk mid-cap NFT infrastructure project with limited supply but uncertain long-term ecosystem growth. Investment decision. To decide whether to invest in Dego token, do your own research or get investment insights from tokenlisting.org.